Did you know that according to surveys, 80% of teens in North America struggle with healthy eating? That's 4 out of every 5 teens you'll meet.
During our research, we found that 100% of the teens that we surveyed demonstrated unhealthy eating habits, and 83% stated especially skipping meals. According to North American surveys, 50% of teenage girls and 30% of teenage boys use unhealthy weight control behaviors, such as skipping meals and fasting, and 20% of teenagers suffer from obesity.
We believe that there's a lot of stigma surrounding eating habits and body image due to the makings of our society, and teens may feel overwhelmed about their bodies. Social media has also become widely used, and as a result, beauty standards have been hyperbolized. These have led to unhealthy eating habits found in teens.
We wanted to help solve this issue because many of our close friends struggle with healthy eating.
Our app also contributes to the UN Sustainable Development Goal of health and well-being. We have created an app, Eataware. It is an AI-based, healthy eating habits-based app meant for all types of teenagers, including those struggling with eating disorders and obesity. It promotes a positive environment that encourages teenagers to take the best care of themselves and their bodies. It engages and allows teenagers to easily record their meals and gives feedback on their eating habits, helping them to strive for a healthier lifestyle.
Concern of users may be data privacy, especially since users are constantly inputting their meals and have initially provided their ages and weights. However, Eataware was made using a Firebase database, which stores data securely on Google Cloud. Another concern of users may be the reliability of our nutritional ratings, but Eataware has only used credible and reliable sources such as Harvard Health Publishing and more.
Throughout the development of our app, the Eataware team has used alpha testing to implement new designs that would improve the user interface design. We also shared checkpoints of our apps with teens who demonstrated interest in our app to receive feedback and implement what users would like.
Initially, we planned on implementing a calorie counter. However, after research in our community, we decided to replace the calorie counter with a nutritional rating. Competitors such as Food Tracker and Calorie Mama also utilize image recognition AI to promote healthy eating. Nonetheless, Eataware is still the best solution because not only is it specifically designed for teenagers by teenagers, but our competitors also provide users with detailed nutritional facts and precise calorie values. We found from our market research that this tends to spark obsessive eating behaviors in teens. We are a social enterprise that intends to make a profit off of our app, in addition to fulfilling our mission and bettering society through achieving social, health, and wellness outcomes. Our target market includes the 1 million teenagers who struggle with healthy eating and have access to the internet in our cities, Waterloo and Toronto. We hope to expand our market to Ontario, Canada, and globally in the upcoming years. We project our profit to be very high, almost $2 million a year, due to high daily ad mob revenue and minimal operating costs.
Through the journey and the obstacles, we gained collaboration skills and learned how to resolve bugs in our code. We even learned how to code using objects for the first time.
In the future, we hope to implement features that will allow users to connect themselves and encourage each other, as well as build a community amongst themselves.
Eataware, helping teenagers around the world become their healthiest selves.